The deep ocean is home to bioluminescent creatures that can create their own light, often for hunting or communication. Notably, the anglerfish relies on a glowing lure extending from its head to attract unsuspecting prey in the pitch-black depths. Each flash and flicker is not just mesmerizing, it represents an evolutionary clock that turns darkness into illumination, proving that adapting to one's environment can spark extraordinary survival skills.